say that all I rap about is bathing neighbors smoking weed. But last year, man, that shit was just a dream for me. And all these rappers act like this, it don't mean shit to me. But understand that I appreciate what I achieve. Headed to the